kind of use a lot of foam because I relax the top of my hair so rarely, so I'm administering the foam all over. Then I mold it. So I never get tired of talking about how simple and effortless having short hair and a well-maintained haircut. The key is the cut, how easy it is to style. So y'all saw me with the prep and molding it. Now this is basically what I do every day. I don't use a lot of heat on my hair. I'm using just a light moisturizer oil combo that I keep around the house. Working it through my hair, all around. And then the style is in the fingertips. So I put those little soft face framing details in the mold so that when I work product through my hair or I go in and add a little texture, height, or lift to my hair, those little components stay intact. Just taking just a little bit of wax on my hands. Wax is the game changer. Using the warmth from rubbing my hands together to kind of break down the product. You never want to just have a big clump of anything sitting on your hair. So I'm using the warmth from just rubbing my hands together. And then I work it through my hair. So I'm always chopping and snipping and cutting in my hair because it's a specific shape that I'm trying to maintain. Of course, my husband, barber extraordinaire, keeps my sides and my back intact. The biggest personality piece to how I wear my hair is always my sideburns, and I always tell people it's easy to keep your sideburns in control if you just go ahead and mold them down, but the key is to not just leave them stuck to your face. So you want to make sure that you don't neglect them with moisturizer. Put a little moisturizer on them, and then if you mold them in the direction you want them to go, whether that's back or forward, once you run a little moisturizer through them and then break up the mold a little bit, you're good to go. So this is basically, I'm looking at the timer on this video and it's at 2:25. This is my 2-minute hairdo. And the reason why I'm able to get in and out and move around with it really quick is because of the haircut. The key is the cut. So as long as you got a good haircut, short hair by far to me is the easiest, most effortless way to stay pulled together and polished when you're out here in these streets. So I'm going to spin. I don't exactly know what the back is looking like, but I'll check that out. I always have a little mirror here in the drawer of my vanity. So I check it out. And I don't necessarily like this part that is in my hair from how I messed with it. And if I'm not particular about how I mold that, sometimes it'll happen. Quick fix, I just take a little bit more of that wax and manipulate it in that area. No specific rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. I'm just being mindful that the part was going this way. So I'm going to work my hair in the opposite direction and kind of give a little bit more of a springy look, a textured, spiky look. Then going around and making sure that I'm clearing up anything that may have been a little bit too spiky. Checking my form. And there we go. A-okay. I even like to pull a little bit of my hair up in my front. And basically, that's my 2-minute do. Short hair rocks, y'all.